Another day, another look. I feel so productive recording these. It feels like everything I need to do is just record 4 videos a day and I'm good somehow. Maybe it's true. So I want to show you something. So yesterday I went grocery shopping. You know, they always give me these. And I found someone else's ticket. I also found a bunch of new things I'm gonna be packing today, and it's exciting. It's so exciting. Wow. I mean it. I need to figure out how to distribute it. So I'll save for later. Mosaicos. There's a lot of stickers these days. Yeah, I need to figure out how to pack it so that it's, I mean, like completely unused. Mosaic. Almost not used. There's just like this. But stickers are such utility. Stickers are very, very important. You know? Yeah, I don't know yet what to do with this. Let's see. Super Animais. Rita and Vasco. You know, these cards. It's so impressive. We have so many cards to distribute. It's not even funny. Wow. Monster cards. Yes. It's gonna be something completely new. But we have to distribute it all. All cards. The monster cards are gonna be covers. I need to draw on them. Then we have Super Core. I wonder which year is this from. There's so much local art. Like, really. It's so perfect. I don't know, are they gonna be... What is going on? Are they gonna be covers or are they gonna be something else? I think they're too small for covers. Yeah, it says 15/02/17. It says 02/09/2020. Historical. Absolutely historical stuff. Can't believe people throw this away. This art. Can't believe it. Okay, then we have another one of these collectible cards. I'll have to take them all out. It's kind of sad, but I also want to use this for covers. Yeah, so that's all that is new. But honestly, how is this even possible to manifest such utility? You know, like absolutely otherworldly spirit guides gave it to me. So we can use this all for our beautiful system. All right then. How are we gonna go about this? I think the way to go about this is to first curate the covers. And maybe cut out the stickers. Or tear them, rather. So, covers. Yeah, this is gonna be complete improvisation because I feel like a new system is emerging sooner than later. And we have a lot of fashion covers today. You know, super excited. I mean it. When fashion is included so deeply into the story, you know you're into something. Like what's happening, you know. Perfection. And then I have these. So yesterday I recorded the last video for 15 minutes and then it wasn't saved, and I was really pushing it there in terms of the kind of things I've been communicating. So today I cleaned my computer deeply so that I have actually enough space for us to create value. More value. That are these videos. Value? Absolutely. Value. History. Mm. (2022) still relevant. Very much so. Covers. 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 And then we used these yesterday. Oh, there's more. Ready? I know I am. So what would you like to hear today? Inner technologies? Oh well. Yeah, inner technologies. What are... Today my hair is too clean. What are inner technologies? God, I love my hair so much. That's inner technology. Hair is inner technology. It's inside of my physical body, basically not inside, but outside actually. Hair is inner technology. Why? Because antennas is how we connect through hair. We connect through hair. Why? I don't know. It's just like the way that our antennas work. You know, I don't know how to explain to you these technologies. Oh yeah, I need to fold like this. Inner technologies, I mean, really it's heart space, right? Heart space, what we have in the heart space, heart space. Ability to stay in the heart, stay present, stay connected to our heart, feelings, desires, drive, ambition, luminosity, heart, everything, much bigger than the brain, your heart, much bigger field. Have you seen these images of the heart being like this, like huge, huge, huge torus field around you, and then the brain being like this, and also fear being very small, love being very big, right? Simple things. Technology. Heart is our guidance system. It's our way of truly getting to know ourselves and our core needs, desires, wants. Everything you may need is stored and accessible in your heart, through your heart. Heart is great. Heart is amazing. Everything. Heart. Loves. And third eye. Technology. Inner. Another video for that? Yeah. Yeah, you bet. Third eye. Check. Should start a company named like that. Third Eye Tech. The founder of the Third Eye Tech? Yeah. I don't believe in finding new companies, by the way.